The most frustrating thing a customer can go through is that if they go out to start their car to get ready to go to work, and this what happens.
Dang it.
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Astral Auto Repairs has almost 2,000 repair videos to help the DIYer.
Our repair videos are also used by automotive repair shops to charge you a minimum of $80 and up to $150 per hour.
Dang it. We know that there are times when working on a vehicle can sometimes get very frustrating and cause you to do things you might regret later on.
Dang it. So we have made this video in the hopes it will save you money and keep you out of repair shops. So enjoy. Dang it.
98% of the vehicles on the road require spark, fuel, injectables, and compression.
Now, in order to check these things, you will need a spark tester, a fuel pressure gauge, a noid light set, and a compression tester. Now, in order to be efficient and not deplete your battery from excessive cranking, it's best to connect all your testers at once. So let's get right to it.
Connect your spark tester between the spark plug and the ignition wire or coil. The tester should flash while the engine is cranking. If it does not, you must diagnose the system that controls spark.
Next, connect your noid light between the fuel injector and its connector. This tester should flash while the engine is cranking. If it does not, you must diagnose the system that controls injector pulse.
Take your fuel pressure gauge and connect it to the Schrader valve located on the fuel rail. If your vehicle does not have one, connect it in the place of the fuel filter. The gauge should be between 15 and 65 psi depending on your vehicle while the engine is cranking. If the gauge does not move, you must diagnose the system that controls fuel pressure.
And lastly, remove a spark plug from the engine and install your compression tester where you took the spark plug from. While the engine is cranking, the gauge should read between 90 and 175 psi. If it does not, you must diagnose the internal parts of the engine that is causing you to lose compression.
Now that we have all our testers in place, it's time to have a friend crank the engine while you watch what each tester does.
As you notice, our fuel pressure gauge is reading 0 psi. So now we must diagnose why we do not have any fuel pressure.
After coming to the conclusion that the fuel pump went bad, we replaced it with a new one. So now let's have our friend crank the engine again while we watch our testers.
We hope you enjoyed this video and maybe it will save you money on future automotive repairs.
If you have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Timmy and Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.